Hey guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. And I just want to introduce you to the new big bore on the block. And it is the G62 kit from SRE Customs. This is what you get. You can see it's a cylinder reed. WJ71 carb, 13.5-to-1 compression, our custom pipe. It continue under load. The engine turns 16,300 RPM is what I've been getting on a regular basis. And that comes as a kit, comes with everything you need to bolt it on and get it fired up and get it going. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's an animal. It runs great. It's way better. It surpassed my expectations. But this is, we put about in the kit that you get, and I will build it specifically for what you are doing. You're not going to get a cookie cutter deal here. If you don't want 13.5-to-1, that's fine. If you want 8.5-to-1, fine. If you're bashing, fine. If you're dragging, fine. Tell me. I'll set the port timings and the compression and adjust the pipe. That's what everybody doesn't do. The pipe on a two-stroke is the A1 most important thing on the engine. And I will adjust the pipe and have it re-chromed if that's what you want, or it will be raw, whatever you want. Please hit us up in the comments and get with us if you're interested in this setup. Please subscribe to the channel. It's brand new. I'm new to this YouTube thing. So hook me up, guys. All right. Thanks a lot. This is SRE Customs out.